In today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious hot dog lollipop recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need puff pastry sheets, hot dogs, eggs, and skewers. We're going to unwrap the puff pastry sheet. We're going to use the hot dog to measure where we have to make the cuts. We're going to cut it into 4 pieces. We're going to wrap each of the hot dogs in one of the squares. Now we're going to slice them. Place the hot dog slices onto a skewer. We're going to place them on a baking sheet. Now we're going to beat the egg until it's smooth. Brush the egg onto the hot dogs. Bake this in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Our hot dog lollipops are complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.